Hello. In this video, we'll be looking at using contacts within Gmail, adding people to them, and looking at a few of the other options available. Now, contacts is its own web page. So if I find it, I can either search for Google Contacts, or I can click on the waffle, which is that 9 dots up in the top right corner of most Google pages. You'll see contacts as an option here. These icons do mix around for different people. So if you can't see it, you might want to scroll down and have a look at some of the lower ones. As you click on it, it opens contacts for you. You can see I have 2 people in my contacts here. And if I want to add a new person, I'll click Create Contact. Create Contact. Then I'll start typing in. So let's say that this is David Owens. I could add a company and a job title. That's not required, only if I need it for my own information. Email is obviously more important. So I'll type in an email address into the box there. I could have a phone number. There's a note sections, which would remind me of any details about David. That's private to myself. David will not see what I write in the note section there. If I click on show more, there's a whole lot more of options, from address to their birth date to their relationship with myself and so on. But we'll skip those for now and stick to the basics of names and email. The last one to hit is label up here. Labels help you to keep your contacts organized. So let's say, for example, that David was a pupil. I'll make a new label called pupils. You can see I've got one called teachers already, but let's make a new one called pupils and click away. Then click save, and David will be added to my contact list here. If I click on him, it'll bring up all the info I've typed in. Obviously, it only got the names and the emails for now. Down the side, there's a few options. Frequently contacted does what it says. The people you email the most often will come at the top of that list. Directory shows everyone within your school or within domain, if the admin has allowed that to be shared between everyone in the school. And merge and fix will look through your contact list for people with the same email addresses, same names, and they'll show them up to you so you can decide whether to merge them or not. Then we have the labels. So if I click on pupils, it will only show people with that label. If I go to teachers, similarly, only show those people. And then the final import one is import over here. So if you've been given a spreadsheet with, for example, the list of teachers in your class, or parents of the pupils you teach, you can import them all in one go instead of having to go one by one and create them individually. There's one more way of creating contact. If I switch over to Gmail, so I'm here in my Gmail account, I have one new email here you can see from Tote360. If I go into that email, I can see I want to add this person to my contacts. If I just hover on their name, don't have to click, just hover on there, add to contacts becomes an option. I can click on that, and straight away that will be added to my contacts. If I go there now, go back to contacts, give it a quick refresh, and you'll see that Tote360 has been added as a new contact. There it is. And that's it. That's how you can use contacts within Gmail.